Towards the night before Christmas, when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. It's your girl over at Eat to Live Strong, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I wholeheartedly welcome you to Vlogmas Day 24. Today, I am going to talk to you about the cookies for Santa. So hang on in there and I'll be right back with you. Today I made cookies for Santa. These are the chocolate caramel chip cookies, and they're on plates from the Dollar Tree. They say cookies for Santa. This is the quinoa cookies. They're all vegan. They're absolutely no dairy products. I will be linking a video on the cookies. I do have the coquito, and that's the nog that we're drinking with our cookies. And then we have two gifts on the table because on Christmas Eve, we both exchange and open a gift. Oh, look how beautiful the tree is. All of my trees are lit. All the candles, everything, the wreath is lit all night on Christmas Eve. And don't forget, on yesterday, I did the video, which is linked up there, of my winter wonderland. And then look at the amaryllis, guys. This might be the red and white one that's supposed to open on tomorrow. It is actually opening. And I cannot wait to see if I'm going to have a amaryllis. That's the Christmas one that opens on tomorrow. Look how pretty. So I have enjoyed myself Vlogmas 2020. I hope you've enjoyed it as well. I love, love, love Christmas. I love decorating. I miss the decor, and I'm always ready for the season to come. This is the season. Yes, the reason for the season. These are the pillows that I purchased from Amazon on Cyber Monday. They say Merry Christmas. They're beautiful. They match the decor of red and gold. And in the background, you see Santa chairs because that's my kitchen tablescape that I did. That's linked up there also. Oh, how pretty. And then these are the pillows also that I bought on Cyber Monday from Amazon. And it says Merry Christmas as well. And the bulbs are so pretty. And ironically, my colors on the tree in here is red and gold. But there's a hint of blue, which matches the tree in the dining room. That video is linked up above as well. I am so excited that tomorrow is Christmas. Yay! I hope you guys are excited too. This is such a wonderful time of the year. I love Christmas. The reason for the season. I hope you enjoyed the video. I want to thank you so very much for following me through Vlogmas 2020. Please do me one favor, like, comment, and then share me out, because sharing is caring. And after that, make sure, if you're not a member of my channel, to go down below somewhere and subscribe to my channel, and then go right next door and that notification bell so that you can be notified of my videos when they're uploaded. Again, I want to thank you for coming today. See you next time. Love you long time. God bless you, and Merry Christmas, everybody, from Eat to Live Strong.